So peaches taste like lanzones, but smell like a floral. So they have it's like a flower, like a rose, I think like that. But it tastes like a lanzones for me, and they have a smell of it like a floral scent.
Hello, today is June 15, 2025, and today we're gonna harvest later our peach when we come back. So when we do the first harvest, after we did that, we put a netting to our peach tree because the bird will eat all the fruits. And sometimes it's not even ripe, they will make a hole on it and just waste. So now this is look like our peach. So we'll see you later when we harvest.
June 15, 2025, and today we harvest our peach, and every 4 to 5 days the peach is ripe already. So we're gonna puree this and put them in the freezer so that make a shake and also make a pie, peach pie, and some we can enjoy when it's fresh.
And bye!